to controlling physical devices, like in the slides before, we have been also working with people with disabilities in order to offer them other kinds of visual control and interaction. This is the case of an avatar competition, the so-called Cybertron, where people with disabilities were controlling their avatar that you can see in the upper right part. They had to deliver different mental commands according to the color of the path this avatar was in. We had to train these people over a period of time, months actually. We were capable to track their learning process, not only in terms of how they were acquiring BCI control, but also the changes that this acquisition of BCI control engender into their brain rhythms and brain patterns of activity. That if we are capable to induce plastic changes in people's brain, then we could extend the use of BCIs beyond the realm of assistive devices. But what for people without disabilities? I've been exploring a few things. One of them is in direct translation of what a BCI is. For example, these sophisticated machines that are replicas, the original machines and mechanisms of the Industrial Revolution in the art exhibit that was deployed in Lausanne, in San Francisco for a number of months. Almost 800 people had the opportunity to work with those devices. We are still analyzing that huge amount of data, but essentially what we observe is that these people indeed, through this immersive interaction, they acquire control very rapidly, and that there are also changes in the patterns of brain activity that they are producing in order to acquire that control. So a kind of replication in a very open, wide space, and with a very short time window.